Hello everyone, Penny here, and today I have the Window Grunge kit. And I'm sorry I'm late getting this tutorial out for this kit. The kit was released on, the 13th of March, so I'm a little behind. That's okay though, because I scheduled to do some tutorials the 16th, 17th, and 18th, so I'm just a little behind. Not bad. I had some Bible journaling stuff to actually catch up on, but I wanted to show you this. The template's already here, and this was inspired by Bohemian Crafting. Eva is amazing, so go check her out. She's more my style. I like the vintage grunge stuff. I also like colors, but this is me, so I just wanted to shout out to her because she is amazing. Her ideas are just amazing. So I wanted to do a template digitally so that I could create a junk journal page similar to what she was creating with her envelope. This is a envelope that I scanned and I put coffee dyed paper. Actually, I coffee dyed it and then I scanned it. It was amazing. It turned out wonderful. So there's this page that is a digital reproduction of the envelope, and here is this one as well. So the kit was designed for you to actually embellish, and if you wanted to use a junk mail envelope with this kit, you can. You don't have to use the journal paper. But I wanted to make this, and this actually goes over that. You cut this out. And then this goes here if you want to. But there's all kinds of goodies here. And Eva uses the leftover from the printer paper. She uses the little tabs, so that inspired me to create that digitally. Anyway, this is to go over this. This is a pocket. You can put your plastic in there if you want. You can also do layers. It just depends on the way you want to look. But here is the item, already pre-cut, pre-labeled, ready. Look at these ladies. Aren't they gorgeous? These are vintage. They're, I just love it. These are to insert under the plastic. So you will need a piece of plastic if you want to do that. Unless you use, one of these. Unless you use an envelope that has the plastic. But these are made to fit. Cut this out. These are made to fit in here. See that? Or actually, you could just paste that over top of that. That kind of thing. You can choose the one you want if you want to do it that way. So we can also cut this piece of plastic out, and we could put this, and then we could put this. There's so many different ways. So just see how that I work with it. I'm not really for sure which way this is going to go, but this is for the inside. This is a belly band for the inside. So if I had a journal, I would open it up. Oh, where's that piece? Journal page, I'm sorry. So to open this up, the belly band would go here. This big, beautiful card I would back with cardstock, junk papers, newspapers. I would stitch around it, make it nice. And then I would put the belly band down, and I would stick this under the belly band. Okay? And then we also have this card, big vintage cards, that would go on the back as a pocket, or that I could put some of these tags that I've got. Some of these, the images. I have all this fun looking retro vintage. And then I have this beautiful image photo strip that I could put inside the pocket and things like that. So stay tuned. I'm going to be fast forwarding so you can see about the process that I do. You'll hear music. So just take a look. If you're interested in the freebie printable, check out the link to my blog. There's always freebies listed in my Facebook groups as well, but also on the blog. So every kit I do, there's a freebie to go with it, and most of the time there's also a Bible journaling kit to go along with it as well. So there may be some scriptures that goes with this, looking through the window, you know, just different things like that. So just hang in here with me and let's see what I create. I have several choices to create with. Look at this paper. All these numbers. I may just cut these numbers out. I may just do a messy flower. I don't know what I'll do with the numbers. I could just use it as a page. A junk journal page. However that I want to do. So there's three pages, 3 8.5 by 11. And then there is all these different elements. So if you have an envelope that has the window out, you know, has a window in it, then, you know, you could use one of these to go behind it. Because I did actually take a envelope, copied out it, and then scanned it and made paper. Okay? So this is from an actual scanned copy of a coffee-dyed window envelope. One of the bigger ones. Okay, guys, so let me get started.